I like that one right there. Oh, that was just racing content, or just. Oh my God, my car is so good right now. Oops, that's cheating now. Whoa. Nice. Oh, that's your spot, dude. Oh, you coming? Oh. Are you braking at the end of the U? Like, no, the closer one. Like at the end of this straightaway. Oh, whoa. Whoa, dude. Jeez. Oh my gosh. This is a good little track right here where it kind of goes back in there. Oh boy. Oops. Oh! Dude, Talladega Night, or I mean, Days of Thunder. Holy, oh my gosh, dude. Whoa. Oh. Whoops. Oh shit. I'm in the maintenance yard. Whoa. I guess that LiPo doesn't. Oh, sick! Cheated though. Oh!